It's giving very much nerd, college girl, doctor, anime nerd, geek nerd. Yeah, I know those are two nerds. All I need is some glasses and a pocket. What you call them things? Yeah, one of them. That's all I need.
I can tell that we gon' hit it off. Yeah, you laugh, but it's light work. Booty is the truth, girl, you got some nice perks. Your body language got me out here trying to function. I ain't sit a deal and leave it with no one but you. Girl, you got a chance, then give me your name. I don't like talking to randoms. We could turn up.
Hey friend, I am back for another video. I am performing. I am giving you all just a quick get ready with me, sort of, just a quick little makeup, no makeup face. So I'm gonna dive right on into this video for y'all, so because I ain't got that much time. Probably not gonna be doing too much talking, because like I said, sis ain't got much time on my hands. and the back. This is the final look. Quick, semi-quick. It would have been less than 10 minutes if I had my life together, but since I ain't had my life together, it took 15 minutes. So this is the final look. Everything that I use will be in the description box below. Let me know what you thought about this makeup, no foundation look. Yes, the foundation I had was Fenty Pro Filter. I really thought that it was my complexion when I went into the store, and I did try to sample on my face, but you know what, I think I hope I have the box so I can return it and they can use it as a sample. But it was definitely given too light. You know what, let me take that back. Maybe what I'll do is next time I use it for my next quick makeup review or tutorial, whatever y'all want to call it, I won't use the banana powder from Fenty, and maybe that's what made it look too light. But the reason I did all of that is because I wanted my It Cosmetics, I wanted my makeup to last a little bit longer, because I sweat very easily. As you can see, my forehead is looking like I just washed my face. I just put some water on my forehead. I didn't. I'm a forehead sweater. Leave it at that. But yeah, this is my final look. I love this Charlotte Tilbury color. It's a matte color, and with that lip pencil I use, I don't remember what color it was, the color of the lip pencil, but this Charlotte Tilbury is that girl. I want to try more of her products because I really love this color, especially mixed with that red lip pencil. Let me show you what the color actually looks like. It's called Pillow Talk Blur, and it actually looks like this. Is kind of like a pinkish nude color, so I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. Drop me a comment, let me know what you thought about this video. The hair I have on my head is from Nadula, and I don't know if this video or Nadula, check out my last review for this unit, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace. Alright, and don't forget that red box, you can click it, no ticket.